Bear's Notes. Why a dim blue lamp beats a blinding red one. Blast a metal plate with the brightest red lamp you can find. Not one electron escapes. Switch to a faint blue glow, and electrons fly off the instant it touches. Light doesn't arrive as a smooth stream. It comes in separate packets. Each packet's energy is fixed by its color. Red packets weak, blue packets strong. Freeing an electron takes one packet landing enough energy in a single hit. A red packet strikes, falls short, and bounces off. The electron stays put. Pile on millions of red packets and still nothing. Weak hits never add up. One faint blue packet lands enough in a single blow. An electron flies free. Brightness only adds more packets. A packet's color decides if it can free anything. So light's energy comes in chunks, and one chunk's color frees the electron. Thanks for watching. Why a dim blue lamp beats a blinding red one. Find more Bear's Notes at youtube.com/@NickBearBrown.